the Eclipse 2745 Nutsert Threaded Insert Riveter Tool. It is designed for the quick manual insertion of permanent load-bearing threads in materials from 0.20 inch to 0.128. Simple setup and easy uniform stroke allows a nutsert to be set in thin sheet materials without causing surface damage. This thin sheet setting tool has been designed to enable threaded nut inserts to be set easily by hand. Invaluable to maintenance engineers for on-the-spot repairs. Supplied in a compact toolbox for easy storage complete with 4, 5, 6 and 8 mm nose bushes, mandrels and threaded nutserts.